Today I will try find the value of x in equation 16 to the x minus 4 to the x plus 3 power minus 49,152 equals 0. Now we have three terms here. For three terms, in general, we need to change into quadratic equation. So to write into quadratic equation, we need to find the term can be used in quadratic equation. Let's see now. Here, 16 to x will be same as 4 times 4 to x power, okay, which is 4 to the second and x. We can switch this one around and we can rewrite which one will be same as 4 to the x to the second power according to exponent properties. So now we have 4 to the x to the second power, and again here we have a 4 to the x. This one will be same as in the same way 2 to the x to the second power. We might use this one later. Now see second term here. 4 to the x plus 3 will be same as 4 to the x times 4 to the third, also exponent property. If we solve this value, which one will be 64? 4 times 4 times 4, which one will be 64? So this one can be rewritten as 64 times 4 to the x power. Now using 4 to the x power, we can rewrite the given equation in quadratic equation. Now, because this one is the same as that, we can rewrite 4 to the x to the second power minus 64 times 4 to the x power minus 49,152 equals 0. Now we try find the true value such that product of true value equals 49,152, and the difference between two values will be 64. So in this case you can use quadratic equation formula, which is for given ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, you can use x equal minus b plus minus u b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. I'm not going to use this one by one for this equation, and we wasted time. You are not basic levels. Okay, this one the math contest level. That's why we just use given values. So two values here will be 192 times 256. So 192 times 256 will be 49,152, and the difference between two values will be 64. And then this one is a negative, that's why we can factor from 4x minus 256 and 4 to the x plus 192 equals 0. And we know here 4 to the x power equal negative 192. From here but positive value to the any power cannot be negative. So this one doesn't make any sense for this question. So we throw this away. Okay? And in the same token, this one we can rewrite. Okay, we just saw here 4 to the x will be 2x to the second power. So 2 to the x minus 16 and 2 to the x plus 16 equal to 0. As we saw over here, this one also doesn't have a solution because the 2 to the any power doesn't make negative value. So from this expression, we know 2 to the x equals 16, then x must be 4. This one is the only solution for this question. Okay, now, next time I will go over another problem, NPR minus 10 times R factorial minus 6 times NCR plus 60 equal to 0. Okay, now we have 4 terms. If we have 4 terms, mostly we can group 2 value and 2 value and then factor again. Or using 3 terms, we factor and then we have another one such that we can refactor again. But here, hint, we group with 2 terms and then we factor again. Okay? We will go over this one next time. Okay? You better study formula for a permutation and combination and factorial. We will see this one next time. Okay, now study. Good luck. Thank you.